Welcome to our tutorial on the removed multi-section solid command. This command works similarly to the multi-section solid command that we reviewed in our previous tutorial. There is, of course, one fundamental difference. The multi-section solid command adds material. This command, as its name suggests, removes material. Let's start by creating a sketch. Activate the sketch command. I'm going to activate the circle command and create a circle somewhere here. Exit the sketch. Let's deselect everything and create a second sketch right here. Activate the circle command again and exit the sketch. Now activate the Removed Multi-Section Solid tool. Sketch 4 is pre-selected for us. Let's select Sketch 3 also. Right now we've got directional arrows pointing in different directions. I'm going to click them to reverse them where needed. Click Preview and OK. And as you can see, we have our removed section. Right-click, Delete, uncheck Delete Aggregated Elements, and click OK. Next, let's insert a support plane. We'll offset it from this face. Let's reverse the direction. Offset it by, let's say, 70 millimeters. Click OK. Let's create one more sketch. We'll do it on this plane. We'll create another circle right about here. Exit the sketch. Now reactivate the Removed Multi-Section Solids command. Let's remove Sketch 5, which is pre-selected. Let's select Sketch 3, 5, and 4. Click Preview, we get an error message. That's because we didn't check the directional arrows. Let's click OK. And as you see, we indeed have a problem. You see the arrow points in this direction, and this one here is in the opposite direction. Let's reverse this one too, and click Preview. OK. Select the multi-section solid removed to see how it's shaped inside the solid. Once again, right-click and delete. OK. Let's deselect everything by clicking outside. Let's add a spine. We'll create a sketch on this face. Let's select the Spline tool. Let's create a spline. Something like this. Escape when you're finished the spline. Let's exit the sketch. Click outside to deselect. Now activate the Removed Multi-Section Solid command. Let's select the first sketch and our second sketch. See how the arrows are pointed in the wrong direction? Last sketch. We need to reverse the arrow here also. Let's preview now. Looks much better now. Select the Spine tab, select our new spline, click Preview, and click OK. Again, let's highlight it to see how it's shaped inside the solid. Right-click, select Properties. We can give it another color for ease of viewing purposes. Let's choose red. Now we can better see how it's shaped inside. And this concludes our tutorial on the removed multi-section solid command.